Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you the Grady-White 326 Canyon. This is a new boat this year. Got the windlass anchor with the Lumar. Stainless steel rub rail. This one's in Seaport Blue. All fittings are going to be stainless. Rub rail as well. Got a tuna door, dive door here. Self bell and cockpit. Everything bells right over. Swim platforms here in the back. Trim tabs. Underwater lighting. This vessel is equipped with the 300 twin Yamahas. You can go to twin 350s. 4-step ladder. Gonna board the vessel here, folks. This Grady just really has a great eye for detail. Again, the self bell and cockpit. Got roll water, fresh water wash down, including a shower here if you were out swimming. Fish box here in the back. The transom seating. Got 2 live wells. One there, which does have a cutting board on top. Another here. Tackle. Place for pliers and other tools. Tow railing. This does have the shore power. Alright. Undergunnel rod storage. Rod holders throughout. Rocket launchers. Sure shade. This also has the outriggers. Again, this tuna door or dive door does swing open. The ladder's going to be up front. Driver's helm area. Additional little storage there. To see, the bolsters will raise. These seats always slide forward and aft. Just a beautiful boat here, guys. Spreader lights here in the back along with speakers throughout. Most compartments are going to be lockable so you can secure all your gear and stuff. Driver's helm, stainless. Also has the joystick operation. Even my 6-year-old can operate this boat. Does have set point. All your switches. Just an absolutely gorgeous boat. As you can see underneath the hardtop, it's matching with the hull. This is a shower, toilet that pumps out. Additional rod storage, storage there, storage for additional tackle. There's a mirror so you can see how beautiful you are. And up front, bench here directly in front of the driver's helm. Complete sun pad with seat backs that fold forward and aft. Windlass switches up front. Fish boxes are all insulated. Again, this is CJ Jenkins, and today we bring you the Grady-White Canyon 326. Please come visit us at MarineMax Gulf Shores. You can reach us at 251-981-1113. Thank you.